What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas day 11. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I just got to Fry's. There's hella people who are walking in. Stay tuned for today's video. We are going to be making homemade pizza, so we'll see you guys inside. I found an empty aisle finally, but we are inside Fry's. It is very hectic, I know. Sorry about the bad angles, guys, but we're looking for toilet paper now. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna pick you up back at the house, okay? Oh my God, was that hectic, guys? It was very packed, very crowded, and then I did self-checkout, and the stupid machine was giving me a hard time. We're finally out. We're finally on our way to the car. Can't deal with this right now. And go. You're literally waiting. I'm like, no, never mind. Negative. We're almost to the car, guys. There is, I'm telling you, look how crazy it is. It's packed. We'll see you back at home. And we're home. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, but before we do, smash this video with a huge thumbs up. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Lena. Be sure to subscribe down below and turn on those post notifications, that way you get notified every single time we upload a new video. Welcome to the life as Lena Mac. Alright guys, so we're gonna jump straight into the video. I did show you everything that you're gonna need. Just pizza sauce, pepperoni. This is a French styled bread, and some pizza blend cheese. It's your choice whether you want to get pizza blend or something else. I was gonna get mozzarella, but they didn't have the mozzarella that we normally get, so then I just went with pizza blend. With that being said, guys, smash this video with a huge thumbs up and let's get started. Alright guys, first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 375. Alright guys, so I'm going to take the bread out and we're going to place it on a baking sheet, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half. If you guys have a bread knife, I highly recommend that, but I don't have a bread knife, so be careful. And then I cut it in half because there's 4 of us. Alright guys, after you cut them into your 4 pieces or however many you're gonna make, you're gonna take your pizza sauce and spread it all over your bread. After you guys are done with your sauce, you're going to want to go ahead and put your guys' cheese. It's your choice on how much sauce you want to put. You can either go heavy with it or light. Again, your choice. Same thing with the cheese. And for Cass, he doesn't like pepperoni, so there's going to be one without pepperoni. Just FYI. Alright guys, next we're gonna do the pepperonis. Again, like I said before, your choice on how you want to put, or how many you want to put, or if you don't want to put any at all. Or if you guys want like bell peppers, any type of veggies that you would put on a pizza, now would be the time. Alright guys, so the oven's ready. We're gonna go ahead and put these in the oven, and you're gonna want to go ahead and let them bake for like at least 10 to 15 minutes, just until the cheese melts. Alright guys, I'm actually gonna let them cook for maybe another 5 more minutes. So yeah, 10 to 15 minutes, and then definitely check on them, okay? Alright guys, here's the finished product. I am going to get the kids to do a taste test, but I'm just going to let it cool down for a little bit. So we'll be back once we get their taste test. Alright guys, here's Mercedes, and we're going to do her taste test.
Cool. She's a pizza.
Alright, now Castillo.
Scared. Oh, yeah, it's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Bye guys.
Now that you've eaten more, rate it on a scale from 1 to 10.
1,000.
Nice. Now that you've eaten it a little bit more, rate it on a scale from 1 to 10. 1 is like, ew, it's gross, and 10 is like, oh my god, it's amazing.
10.
10? Alright, awesome. Alright guys, that's going to go ahead and conclude today's video. I hope you guys had a blessed day. I hope you guys are staying positive. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY pizza at home. If you guys do create it, please tag me on Instagram at Lena Mac. I would love to see what you guys created at home, if you guys added more than pepperoni, because we some plain Janes around here. No, I'm just kidding guys. But with that being said, I hope you guys are staying safe during this COVID time. And as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video.